Hello everyone, this is Blanca. Thanks for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be making a congratulations graduation card using the pretty pink Posh Congrats Grad stamp set and coordinating die set. I'll be using the Congrats Grad and You Did It sentiment inside the card as well as the cap, the bigger cap, and I'll be die cutting some of the caps, the big one and the small one, with some glitter paper. I'm using a 5" by 5" white card base as well as this 5" by 5" congratulations pattern paper. To be cutting a couple of circles with this punch. These are going to be 3" circles. I'm going to cut 2 of them so that I can stack them. But as you can see here, I was having a hard time placing the cardstock and the punch, so I wasn't doing a good job cutting the circles, but I finally got it. So I ended up with a bunch of circles and I just used 2 of them, which I cut correctly. And then I am stacking this up. I'm adding adhesive to one of them and stacking it on top of the other one. And then the next thing I did is I die cut the 2 caps from the die set, the big one and the small one, from this black glitter paper. And I'm going to be adding the bigger cap to the white circle, and then I'm going to stack it on top of the card and adding the pattern paper to the card as well. So after adding the circle with the cap to the card, I decided that it looked too plain. So I wanted to add a border with glitter cardstock. So I used a larger circle die. This is a Crafter's Companion circle die to cut a slightly larger circle. And then I'm adding it to the back of the white circle and then to the card so that it creates a border for the card. I mean a border for the white circle with the cap. Then I'm going to add the sentiment inside the card using my Tim Holtz stamping tool. And then I'm also going to add another cap inside the card where the sentiment is, as you will see. And now I'm adding a cap that I got from Glitter cardstock, just like the other ones, to my envelopes. So it just has a little something extra special. So to the back of the envelope and to the front of the envelope. So as you can see, here is the final card with a matching envelope. I think it turned out quite nice. And here is a close-up of the card. I think it looks sparkly as well. Thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.